Hello everyone, welcome to another session of this video. Section A of class 12 core mathematics, paper set 2 of Pune, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab region already we have done in the previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss section B of set 2 of core maths paper, class 12. So let us start here. The first question which we can see here is we need to find the integration of x under root of 1 plus 2x dx. Now see, whenever we have any such type of term in which any complicated terms are there. Complicated means which are like complicated to solve. We can see here ki this will be little bit complicated to solve. So what we can do now, we can always substitute such type of term with another variable. So here I can put under root of 1 plus 2x is equal to t. So 1 plus 2x will be what? It will be t square. So from here, x will be is equal to t square minus 1 by 2. Also, if you differentiate this, so you will get 2 dx is equal to 2t dt. That is, dx is equal to t dt. You will remember this. Okay. Now, let us move to our question now. This will change our integration to what is x? X is nothing but t square minus 1 by 2. So by 2 we will write here. What is under root of 1 plus 2x? That is t. And dx is equal to t dt. So it will be t square dt. Okay, I have to write t here. This is t. Okay, this is t. Now, this will be 1 by 2. Integration of this will be t to the power 4 minus this is t square dt. If you integrate it, you will get t to the power 5 upon 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10 minus this is t to the power 3 upon 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6 plus c. Now you replace the value of t. T was under root of 1 plus 2x. So that will be 1 plus 2x whole to the power 5 by 2 by 10 minus. That is 1 plus 2x whole to the power 3 by 2 by 6 plus c. So this will be your answer for question number 21A. Let us evaluate the next one now. Let us evaluate the next. So what do you have? Integration of 0 to pi square by 4 sine root x upon root x dx. Again, if you will see this question now, the complicated terms, which we are talking about complicated terms, not complicated, but which can be a problematic for us, that is sine root x. So root x is there. I can see such type of term root x. Since to solve this now, what we have to do, we will put root x is equal to 2 here. Okay. Now differentiate it. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x dx will be is equal to dt. So this will give us that dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. Okay. Also, the upper and lower limits are there. So when x is equal to 0, t will be also 0. And when x is equal to pi square by 4, t will be is equal to under root. Under root means pi by 2. It will be pi by 2. Okay. So your limit changes, integration changes to, that will be limit is changing to 0 to pi by 2. That will be sine t, and 1 upon dx upon root x will be 2 dt. Okay, so 2 we will write at front and this is dt. Okay, now Integration of sine is minus cos t. Limits are 0 to pi by 2 and 2 in the front. Okay, that is 2 cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1. Minus of minus will be plus. So this. So the answer is 2. Answer for the B is 2. Let us move to the next question now. Question number 22. If A and B, sorry, if A and B are two non-zero vectors such that uh, vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector A and 2 times vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector B, then we need to prove that vector B is equal to root 2 vector A. Mod, obviously. Okay. Now see, what is there? A plus B. Again and again, I'm not going to say vector. So their perpendicular means what? If two vectors are perpendicular, this means their dot product will be 0. So their dot product is equal to 0. If the dot product is 0, this means A vector multiplied by A vector will be excuse me, mod A square plus that will be is equal to B vector A vector is equal to 0. Okay, similarly 2A plus B into B will be 0. This will imply that twice AB vector plus mod B is equal to 0. This will give you key is equal to minus AB. Okay, this minus AB and this is minus 2AB. So if you combine both of these, you will get twice. So taking root on both sides, you will get is equal to root 2A, which was required, hence it is proved. Let us move to the next question now. That is question number 23. In the given figure ABCD, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is equal to 2I minus 4J plus 5K and DB is equal to 3I plus 6J plus 2K. Then find AD vector. Now the direction we can see here. So triangle law, parallelogram, whatever you can apply here. So what we can observe here is कि DA plus AB, DA plus AB is equal to DB. Okay, and we need to find AD. So AD you want to find, so it will be minus AD will be is equal to what? Minus AD will be is equal to what? We write this. AD is equal to AB minus DB. This will be correct. AD is equal to AB minus DB. That is, AB is what? 2I minus 4J plus 5K minus. This will be 3I minus 6J plus 2K. And this will give us minus I plus 2J plus 3K. Okay. So your vector AD will be this. Okay. What next? We need to find the area of a parallelogram ABCD. Area of a parallelogram ABCD will be nothing but AD into AB. AD into AB you can do, BC into DC you can do, so these things. So AD into AB will be what? AD cross product AB, cross product of adjacent side. So this will give us I, J, K, and AD is -1, 2, 3, and this is 2, -4, and 2, -4, and 5. Okay, so it will be I multiplied by 5 fours are, sorry, 10 minus plus 12 minus J, sorry, 5 minus J is -5 minus 6. Okay, so 22 and K will be 4 minus 4 K. Okay, so 22I plus 11J plus 0 K. Okay, and area will be mod of this cross product. What is the cross product of this? So that is under root of 22 square plus 11 square. So that is under root of this I can write 22 I can write 2 into 11. So 11 square will be common. Okay, 11 square is common. So 11 and root will cancel, and under root of 2 square plus 1, 5. 11 root 5, or you can write under root of 22 square plus 121, yes, so 484, so that is 605. These two are the answers. Okay, so area of the parallelogram will be 11 root 5 or root 605, and AD is minus I plus 2J plus 3K. Okay, let us move to the next question now. Question number 24. Okay, in the question number 24, we need to find, we need to prove that dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Okay, so let us see what is given here. Y is equal to under root of cos x plus y. We can take square on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we will get y square is equal to cos x plus y. Now differentiate on both sides. So differentiating, we will get 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos is minus sin x, and this is dy by dx. Okay, sin we can take on another side, so it will become sin x is equal to dy by dx. We will take common, so it will be 1 minus 2y. So we will get dy by dx is equal to sin x by 1 minus 2y, which was required. Okay, let us move to the next one. That is, show that the function f of x is equal to x cube. F of x is equal to x cube is differentiable at all point. So f of x is equal to mod x cube. Fx is equal to mod x cube, so it can be written as x cube when x is greater than is equal to 0, and minus x cube when x is less than is equal to 0. Okay. So basically we'll check left hand derivative and right hand derivative. So at x is equal to 0, left hand derivative will be what? Limit x tends to 0 f of 0 minus h. minus f of 0 divided by minus h. So that is limit h tends to 0, f of minus h. Minus h will be what? F of 0 is 0. So that will be h cube divided by minus h. Okay. So that is limit h tends to 0 minus h square. And that will become 0 only. Similarly, right hand derivative will be limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. So this will come limit h tends to 0, h square. That will also be 0. So left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Therefore, f of x is a polynomial and hence differentiable. So f of x is differentiable at all points on its domain. Let us move to the next question now. Question number 25. Find the absolute maximum and minimum values of the function. Function is given to us, f of x is equal to 12 x to the power 4 by 3 minus 6 to the 6x to the power 1 by 3. And we need to find in between close interval 0 to 1. Okay. So the derivative will be f dash x. Derivative will be 12 into, that is 4 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus minus 6 into 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay. So f dash of x is equal to 16 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 x to the power minus 2 by 3. F dash of x is equal to 0 if we will take. Okay. So x to, we can take okay, this will is equal to 0. 16 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2. I can write it as 2 by 3 is equals to 0. Cross multiplication if we will do, so it will be 16 x minus 2 is equals to 0 and x will be is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, x is equals to 1 by 8. Derivative is 0 at x is equals to 1 by 8. So x is equal to 1 by 8, we can put again derivative we will take. So x is it will be minimum point. Okay, we can check here. So maximum and minimum, let us check. So f of 1 will be what? F of 1. See, for maximum minimum, we check it at 3 points, where derivative becomes 0, lower limit and upper limit. Upper limit is 1. F of 1, if you check, that will be 12 minus 6, that will be 6. Okay. F of 0, you check. F of 0 will be 0. And f of 1 by 8, you check. Okay. So 12 into 1 by 8 to the power 4 by 3 minus 6 into 1 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3. So 8 to the power, that will become 2, 2 to the power 4, 16. So 12 by 16, 12 by 16. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4 minus, ये हो जाएगा 3 by 4 minus 2, 3. 4 3 is a 12 minus 9 by 4. Okay. So minus 9 by 4 will be minimum. So absolute minimum Absolute minimum will be minus 9 by 4 and maximum absolute maximum will be 6. Okay, and points are absolute minimum point is 1 by 8, absolute maximum point is 1. So I hope this session is clear to everyone. In case of any doubt or any confusion, please let me know that in the comment box. Okay. For the next section, we are going to make a separate video for that. So stay tuned for it.